stop playing with him.
Jadavinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking.
Today I'm going to be doing some knotless box braids. I'm sitting down because this is going to be the most comfortable this is going to be the most comfortable place to do this at. I like middle parts, so we're gonna do the middle part last, but I normally start at my ear. So to get the gist of it, I'll go from ear all the way to the other ear, and my front section is gonna always be the most perfect. The back is kind of like on its own, but so we got one, and we're gonna eventually part that down the middle. This is the hair that we will be using. It's by Main Concepts. I'm gonna link everything in the description just in case you guys wanted to check it out, which I'm sure you guys will. It's 50 inches. It's got wavy hair, 3 by I Define body curls. I have 6 packs. I don't know if I'm gonna be using the 6 pack. So there's one strand of the wavy hair. It's in the color number 4. For now, I'm gonna start off with about that much and just lay it on the bed. I'm just kind of taking it, separating them, and I'm not using that much hair because I guess they're going to be small. Never really know until you start doing them. So as some of you guys know, I am pregnant, headed into my 3rd trimester. I got a little shaky from hunger. So I'm about to eat some Alfredo, take me a break, maybe for like 30 minutes, low-key. We're halfway through the halfway. I'm gonna still give you guys a tutorial when I get up here, but I wanted to check in. Baby's gotta eat. I'll stand up so you guys can have a little bump shot. Here's the belly, so I'm about to go eat. I'm about to take me a break and eat, and then I'll be back. But I gotta take a break. We're going to begin braiding the hair. So I just braid it like once. So I go like this. Braid it, braid it. Then we're gonna go in with 1 pack of hair. Well, not 1 pack, but one of the strands. I like to put it over, attach it to the first little braid I have here, braid again, attach the next one to this next loop, and then we keep braiding down like we normally would. Okay? Very easy, very simple. I realized that braiding it over is easier than taking it and braiding it under. So what I mean by that is taking it under is hard to connect the braids, bringing it over is easier. So we're gonna take it, kind of braid it, and then that next little third we have, we're gonna take it all and just braid it together. And that's it. That's how you do knotless braids. It's really easy. When you start off at the back, you are able to kind of practice and get the hang of it. So I'm gonna do it again so you guys can see. But practice makes perfect, and I have been only add in about 2 strands of hair, and we just braid it down. Yeah, this one is my next row. So how we do it again, we start off with 1 braid, literally just 1, and we're gonna take it, go on top, we're gonna add that 1 to that 1, braid it, then grab it with the second one. I would just tell you to start off with the back. I see some girls starting off at the side. If this is really your first time doing any type of braids, I would tell you to start off with the back, because you're going to literally learn. You'll be teaching yourself at the end. Like, you know, in the beginning, if you start off at the back, you'll be teaching yourself how to braid and what you're doing. And the back really doesn't matter. So by the time you get to the front, you're an absolute pro. So my hair is finished, but I still have blonde peeking through. So I just got some root touch up. And then I'm gonna dip my hair because I still haven't dipped it and it looks this bum. And it just changes the hair black really fast. And it's temporary, guys, so don't worry. So as you guys can see, one half versus the second. Roots are getting, the hair is turning brown. So if you have light hair and you wanna kind of camouflage it, I would recommend that you guys get some type of temporary spray because it's temporary and it washes out with water, so you'll be fine. Okay, so now as you guys can see, the hair is black. It's like not bleeding onto this, which is great. What I'm gonna do next, I'm going to dip the ends because the ends need to be dipped. They're wavy, but I'm gonna dip them. I'm gonna also go on top with some oil sheen just because that spray kind of made it a bit dry. So to touch up her braids. And then lastly, like if you didn't wanna wet your hair, you could simply go on with some mousse. Just don't want that stuff to come out.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie. This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Popping tags, these bitches can